Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your chili plant grow. First, select a chili variety that thrives in your local conditions. Begin by planting seeds indoors in small, well-draining pots. Ensure a consistent temperature of about 75 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal germination. This initial care sets the foundation for strong, healthy plants. Proper light and moisture are also crucial during this early stage. Once your seedlings emerge, move them to a location with ample sunlight, ideally 6 to 8 hours daily. Use a high-quality, well-draining potting mix with a pH level between 6.0 and 7.0. Water your plants consistently, but avoid overwatering. Let the top 1 inch of soil dry out before the next watering. This balance is key for root health and vigorous growth. To encourage robust growth and fruit production, fertilize your chili plants every 2 to 4 weeks using a balanced plant food. Pruning is also beneficial. Remove any lower leaves or unproductive branches to redirect energy towards fruit development. For taller varieties, provide support with stakes to prevent stems from breaking under the weight of the peppers. These practices will significantly boost your yield. Keep a close eye on your plants for any signs of pests, such as aphids or spider mites. If you spot them, use organic pest control methods like neem oil to protect your plants without harsh chemicals. When your chilies are vibrant and firm, they are ready for harvest. Simply snip them off the plant, leaving a small stem attached. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home as fresh as your garden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.